Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to an amazing new VPN called Max Tunnel Pro. This VPN is not only fast, but also packed with powerful features and a variety of protocols for secure and unlimited browsing. If you are someone who cares about privacy and internet freedom, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end for all the steps, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Let's begin by downloading Max Tunnel Pro. First, open any web browser on your device. This can be Chrome, Firefox, or any other. In the search bar, type SSHSSL Tunnel and press Enter. Now, from the search results, tap on the official SSHSSL Tunnel website link. Once you're on the home page, look for the menu icon and tap on it. From the list of options, tap on Free VPN. This will take you to a page with multiple VPNs. On this page, look for Max Tunnel Pro and tap on it. You'll see the download option. Tap on the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install completely. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap the Open button to launch Max Tunnel Pro. When the app starts, it might ask for notification permissions. You can choose to allow or deny based on your preference. You'll now arrive at the home screen of Max Tunnel Pro. Ensure that your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on, as the VPN needs to update its server list. This might cause the app to restart. Don't worry, just wait a few seconds for it to finish loading. The main interface of Max Tunnel Pro is simple and user-friendly. There are two key sections, one for selecting servers and another for choosing protocols. To select a server, tap on the Server section. You'll see a list of server locations. Choose any location you prefer. You can always change it later. Next, it's time to select a protocol. Tap on the Tweaks button to access a list of built-in protocols. Scroll through and try out different ones to find the best connection for you. If you prefer to set up a custom connection, you can do that too. Enter a name for your tweak, choose the protocol type, and if using SSL, enter an SNI. Customize it according to your needs and save your settings. After completing the setup, return to the home screen and tap the large Start button to connect. Within seconds, your VPN will be connected and ready to use. That's it. You're now all set to enjoy secure, fast, and unrestricted browsing with Max Tunnel Pro. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides and updates. See you in the next video.